Hi, Bestie. Welcome back or welcome for the first time. This is your moment to pause, soften, and stretch into gratitude. Let's begin standing tall. Feet grounded, arms relaxed by your sides. Close your eyes if you feel safe or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in through the nose. Hold it gently. Now exhale through your mouth. Let's take 2 more breaths like that. Inhale, feel the air expand your ribs. Exhale, feel your shoulders drop. Last one, breathe in and release. Now, slowly reach both arms up to the sky. Feel your spine lengthen, stretch your fingers wide as if you're holding the sun. Exhale, lower your arms gently back down. Let's do that again. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, float them down. Now, interlace your fingers behind your back. Roll your shoulders open and lift your chest. Breathe into that heart space and say silently, "Thank you," for your body, for your breath, for being here. Now slowly bend forward at the hips. Let your hands drop toward the earth, knees soft, neck relaxed. Let go of anything heavy. Stay here for a breath. On your next inhale, slowly rise to standing. Sweep your arms up once more, then bring your palms to heart center. Step your right foot back into a gentle lunge, arms rise again, stretch through your fingertips, and with your exhale, bring hands back to the heart. Hold this position and repeat in your mind, "I am grateful for how far I've come." Step back to center. Now step your left foot back. Arms rise. Reach tall. Exhale, hands to heart. Breathe in stillness and say silently, "I welcome this moment." Step your feet together once again. Now place both hands over your heart. Breathe softly. Feel the warmth beneath your palms. You showed up. You gave yourself love and space to feel. That is enough. Take one final deep breath with me. Inhale gratitude. Exhale peace. When you're ready, gently blink your eyes open. Smile softly, because you chose to care for yourself today. I'm so proud of you. See you soon, Bestie.